The EXFO FLS-600 is a light source used in conjunction with a power meter for measuring loss in fiber optic networks. To operate the EXFO FLS-600 for loss measurement, follow these general steps. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. Clean all fiber connectors with a proper cleaning tool to avoid contamination and ensure accurate measurements. Connect the fiber to be tested to the FLS-600's output port. Make sure the connection is secure. Then select the appropriate wavelength for your measurement. Common wavelengths for single-mode fibers are 1,310 nanometers and 1,550 nanometers, while multimode fibers often use 850 or 1,300 nanometers. If you are performing a relative loss measurement, set a reference level. This is done by connecting the FLS-600 to a power meter and saving the measured power level as the reference. With the reference level set, disconnect the patch cord from the power meter and connect it to the fiber you wish to test. Use the power meter at the other end of the fiber link to measure the received power level. The difference between the reference level and the received power level is the loss of the fiber link.